This video's goal is to inform you what if and else statements are. They are lines of code that do certain things if some conditions are met. Let's see an explainer example. We have a value a, it's a number, and another value named b. They are simple random numbers. We want to check a condition, the condition being which is greater between a and b. Then we perform an action, like informing the user about the value that is bigger between the two. In the example, the if statement's checked if a is greater than b. And in the times where a is greater than b, it gets executed or run. In the times where a is not greater, nothing happens, because there is nothing in our code that says when a is less than b, do this. An else statement is a line that gets run if the above if statements doesn't come true. Like in the case b is greater than a. If b is greater than a, the if statement can't handle it. The if statements can only handle if the problem is a is greater than b. So anything that the if statement can't handle, the else statement takes care of. Like in the case a and b are equal with this particular code. The else statement gets executed. Since we want to print information for the user based on the values of a and b, we can use elseif. Elseif stands for else if. You should think of it as another if statements that check for something the above if statement didn't check for. Like if we want to tell the user when a and b are similar values. We will use the elseif statement to check if a and b are equal, and if they are, we do something. Like tell the info to the user. And please don't get confused about the two equal to signs in Python. When you want to check if two things are equal, we use two equal to signs. Because one equal to sign is used to assign or to form a representation, like when we said is equal to. "10", we are saying I want to represent 10 as a. Now in this case we are using the else statement to handle anything outside of the if and else conditions.